Hi everyone, this is Jamin Kirkwood from Secure Financial Management with your May 2017 Economic Update. In this video, we'll talk about some of the economic headlines that influenced markets last month and give you some insight into what they might mean for you as an investor. Now please stay tuned to the end for a required disclosure statement. Well, in April, investors kept one eye on impressive corporate earnings and another on geopolitical developments in Asia and also Europe. Earnings ultimately drew the most attention, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average rising more than 1% for the month, while the Nasdaq added another 2%. The latest readings on some key economic indicators were disappointing, but consumer confidence and purchasing manager indices looked good, and positive economic news was filtered from both China and the Eurozone. In domestic economic health, an extremely bullish stock market climate and abundant consumer confidence coincided. In April, the nation's most watched consumer confidence indices remained high. Job creation had waned in March, but the Department of Labor's employment report showed only 98,000 net new hires in that month. Still, the jobless rate dipped 0.2% to 4.5%. Turning from the workplace to the point of purchase, March saw flat consumer spending and a 0.2% downturn in retail sales, and first quarter GDP numbers were also lackluster. The economy drew just 0.7% in the opening 3 months of the year. Now, in global economic health, April brought news of economic improvement in China. During the first quarter, the nation's economy grew at a 6.9% pace, the best pace seen in 6 quarters. That surpassed the 6.5% target set by its government. Now, looking back and looking forward, the Nasdaq Composites surpassed 6,000 for the first time in April, gaining 2.3% for the month. On April 28th, FactSet estimated a 12.5% blended earnings growth for companies in the S&P 500. If that projected annualized growth rate holds, Q1 will turn out to be the best quarter of earnings for nearly 6 years. Earning gains will certainly vary over succeeding quarters, but the near term says the story for solid growth may continue to be this narrative. In early May, the most attention has been paid to the Department of Labor's latest jobs report. Did the March data amount to an aberration? Did payroll growth pick up in April? Will the Federal Reserve send hawkish or dovish signals? Most investors right now are looking at the markets through a bullish lens, and barring some abrupt, troubling event, the bulls look ready to run for another month. Well, that's it for the May Economic Update. As always, if you have any questions or concerns about what we've discussed, please give our office a call at the number below. Once again, this is Jamin Kirkwood with Secure Financial Management, signing off for the month of May 2017. Now please remember that nothing we talk about here should be considered a recommendation. If you'd like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 210-428-6250. We'd be happy to speak with you.